Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows 8.1 Preview in Virtualbox. And I'm going to begin by typing in Windows 8.1. And now I'm going to click on Windows 8.1 Release. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see windows.microsoft.com. I'm going to click on the Download Windows 8.1 Preview link. This is a download page, gives you a little bit of information about the new features in Windows 8. Right here it tells you how to install it. We're going to go straight to an ISO file. Download the platform that's right for you. I'm going to download the 32-bit version. And I'm going to let it open with image burn. If you're not sure how to burn an ISO image to disk, I do have a video on image burn. You should check that out. That'll help you. So I'm going to go ahead and click open. One thing I want to mention right here is the product key that you're going to need for the installation. It's going to take about 12 minutes, it says, so I'm going to talk to you for a minute here. Windows 8.1 is going to be rolled out via updates in the near future, and there's a lot of new added features to it. And the download's complete. It's opened up in image burn and it's ready for me to burn the disk. Since I already have this burned, I'm not going to go through that. Again, I do have a video on how to use image burn if you guys need to watch that. I'm going to go ahead and close all this out now. Now I have Virtualbox open. I'm going to go to New. First you have to name it. I'm going to name it Win81. And as you can see, it already switched over to Windows 8.1 for the version. I'm going to click Next. I always move my memory up to 2 gigabytes. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to leave that where it is. This is a matter of preference. I choose the VHD virtual hard disk. I'm going to click Next. Leave that where it is. And then click Create. Next I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to leave that where it is. I'm going to look at the Advanced tab. I'm not going to enable the bidirectional shared clipboard or drag and drop. That's a matter of preference. If you wanted to do that, you could do that. I'm going to leave these two checked. I'm going to go to System. The base memory, I'm going to leave it 2 gigabytes. I'm going to uncheck floppy and send that to the bottom. Make sure the Enable I/O APIC is checked, and also the bottom box is checked. Under Processor, you want to make sure the Enable PAE and NX is checked. And under Acceleration, you want to make sure these two are checked also. And then the rest I pretty much leave alone. It would be up to you if you wanted to configure this a different way. The only other thing I do is I go to USB. I'm not going to do it for this one, but you could add your flash drives or your external hard drives to the virtual machine. I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to go to Start. When it first starts up, it will first give you the option of your CD drive. I need to search for mine. Here it is right here. Once you have your ISO image selected, click Start. First thing I always do is I go to View, click on Switch to Scale Mode so it's full screen. And now it's going to begin to start up. I'm going to pause the video while it goes through the startup phase. First we have to select our language and then click Next. And then click Install Now. This is where we have to add the product key that I showed you on the download page right here. So I'm going to type that in real quick. Once you have your product key in, just click Next. I'm going to accept the license terms and click Next. And now I'm going to click Custom Install Windows Only. I'm going to leave Drive 0 highlighted and I'm going to click Next. And now it's going to begin installing. I'm going to pause the video while it goes through this. So it's about finished. And it's going to restart the computer. Now it's starting up. The first initial startup after setup will take a little while as it's gathering all the information. Now it's starting up. And again, I can't stress this enough. This does take a long time on my first initial startup, so just be patient. First, you have to name your PC and click Next. You can choose to use Express settings, or you could use customized settings. I'm just going to use the Express settings. Next, you have to sign up for a Microsoft account. If you already have the account, just put in your email address and then your password. If you don't have an account, you want to go right here to sign up for a Microsoft account, and I'm going to click Next. Next, you have to have a security code, and it asks how would you like to receive that code. I'm going to receive mine by email. If you already have a code, you'd select this. And if you don't want to enter a code right now, you can say skip this for now. And I'm going to click Next, and I'm going to go to my email. Right here's the security code. So I'm going to punch that in real quick. And then I'm going to click Next. And give the user's name, password for the user, confirm the password, and then I'm going to give a hint, and then I'm going to click Finish. It's going to go through a quick setup, begin checking for updates. Now it's going to begin installing the apps. Once it's finished installing apps, you just have to sign in. And once you're signed in, you're good to go. And that's how you install Windows 8.1 Preview Release in Virtualbox. Install it, play around with it, see what you think. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.